Hey, it's Mobile Rick, and once again, as usual, I am camping, enjoying my dirt cheap off-grid lifestyle. Got some stuff cooking, dehydrating over here. This really awesome, totally free campsite I found in California, and I'm so happy you found my Patreon page. What the heck is Patreon? Well, it sounds like patron, right? And that's exactly the idea. A really clever idea, which, as I explain it, I'm sure you'll begin to realize, as I did, that this is going to be an amazing way going forward for you to show your appreciation in the tiniest ways, which will in turn allow me to continue creating awesome content. We're talking articles, books, videos, you name it, that will help you and inspire you to continue on your path to getting off the grid and achieving your dreams. So if you've been following my websites for a while, maybe bought my book or watched some of my member videos, then you're familiar with my saying, keep it stupidly simple. And as much as I've tried to follow that advice with my super cheap $200 homemade camper or my tin can stoves, one of the things that it's always been tough is finding a simple way to keep a consistent monthly income, right? Even to cover my really basic minimal expenses with this type of lifestyle. You know, the books and the websites and the videos, the sales from those, they kind of help me keep me afloat. But, you know, like with any business, when you're trying to run a business, you have slow months, right? Even for stupid reasons like technical glitches, right? And the result of that is always the same, that I wind up commuting to town in order to you know, set up some quick promotions or deal with some stupid technology issues, right? And one of the really unfortunate patterns that arose out of that is that I was always limiting myself to campsites that were basically close to town and Wi-Fi, and never really getting a chance to explore and some interesting places that might lead to some, like a great travel video or something. And because I was always basically having to go to work, I wasn't able to spend time just actually camping and working on some of my longer term off-grid experiments. And now with Patreon, I'm hoping that that's all going to change. Like my fans, they're always telling me, you know, given all the stuff that I have put out there over the years, the websites and all the articles, and with my own original research and the videos and the free book download and all that, my fans are always looking for a way to give back in whatever small way that they can. In fact, that was happening a lot more back in the days when I actually was giving away everything for free. And then when I finally put that book online, a lot of people actually bought it just as a way of saying thanks. And I want to get back to that way of doing things, when I could just do my own thing and put out some good stuff based on my own research and experience, and trust in the goodness of my fans to go ahead and leave me a tip if you like what I do. So my hope now is that with a lot of small contributions from, let's say, my most appreciative fans, I'll be able to get back to a much more pure way of doing things, where I have the freedom to explore and experiment and turn that around into cool stuff that you can be inspired by and learn from on your way to getting off the grid. So how does it work? Well, it's really pretty simple. You simply choose a monthly dollar pledge amount. It could be whatever you want, whatever is most comfortable for you. Even a measly $1 per month is hugely helpful. And as a reward, you will receive exclusive access to my Patreon feed, as well as any other content that I have uploaded for my fans. As for the money, it couldn't be simpler. At the time of your pledge and at the beginning of every month, your $1 will be deducted from your account. At any time, you are welcome to decrease your pledge if you find it's going to be a hardship. You're also welcome to increase your pledge, at which time you'll also become eligible for other exclusive rewards which will show up in your feed. Of course, I am an experimental kind of guy, so I can imagine my feed might be kind of eclectic, as well as maybe influenced by any kind of fan requests I might get. So if you want to know what my current rewards are, then just have a look around my page. You'll also find my goals for the current session, and just tune into anything that catches your eye.
And in the meantime, if that all sounds as amazing to you as it does to me, then I would be totally honored to receive your monthly pledge. It would mean so much to me and really help me out. And hopefully we can, basically work together. We can find a way through this Patreon to, really help each other out. So hopefully I'll see you inside and we can interact a little bit more, and it'll be great. All right. Thanks so much for watching.